This is the weekly update. This is update number 5. I started doing the videos October 3rd. I'm just trying to show everybody that there's no deception going on. This is hydroponics. And we're just growing a bunch of plants. I have like 70 different varieties of plants growing out here. Tomatoes do real good. Leafy greens do real good. It just depends on what kind of system you plant them in. Leafy greens work real good when it's a pretty shallow, 7 inches, no more than 10 inches deep, or else you got to do things different. Your tomatoes are growing anything. All your deep-rooted plants are growing any system. These were planted, and we're already getting some tomatoes ripening up in here. Everything's producing right now. We're just seeing how much we can get going before we get a cold. We'll get a lot out of here because, you know, it's going to be sometime in December, late December, before we even get cold enough to worry about. And we might not even get that cold. We are in city limits. Potatoes are doing real good. I don't think it's going to take as long as I was thinking. We'll probably be having blooms by the end of this month. Another 2 weeks. And you've seen it's just been a couple weeks since I planted them. And these are the tomato parts that I broke off and just stuck right in. They're doing really good. The peas that I planted in here a couple days ago, Little Marvel, they're coming up. That's one there. There's one. Right there. There. So they'll all be up in a couple days, especially with all this rain we're going to be getting today and tomorrow. Going to be doing one more picking on this plant. I don't see any new blooms coming on. I'll be glad to get rid of them. That way I can grow a lot more. It's kind of a wasted place putting beans in a garden that you have so much room that nothing's growing. Just like this, you know, should have been a shower garden for the small rooted plants. And then beans, they do good in anything. Pretty impressive on the growth rate on these. I'm going to be starting to pick these and probably start today, maybe tomorrow. And it is over 15 feet long now. So it's doing real good. This is an example. The bucket too tall for the plant, so I had to lower it down to where the fluid level was higher. And it'd be turning green if I didn't have all these plants in there. I'm gonna give it another week, then I'm gonna set it back up there and see if that's all it takes. Just lower it down and then raise it back up to where the roots are down low enough. They're probably down far enough now. I've always done it, and it's always been within 3 inches of where the fluid comes up. So we'll do another update, see how all this hard rain we're supposed to get today and tomorrow does, and I'm sure everything will be fine.